Welcome to a new video tutorial by Crocfix. Let's see today how to upgrade your SSD, increase the storage on your PlayStation 5. If you need a good deal on the PlayStation 5 or a good deal on the SSD, just click on the links I have provided in the video description. As you see, today we have here an PlayStation 5 gaming console, and what we are going to do, we will upgrade the hard drive. Because the built-in hard drive is only 825 gigabytes and usable is maybe around 680 gigabytes. So if you want the full potential, then you just want to upgrade with an SSD. So we don't want to talk a lot, we want to do things. So I want to show you how to open the top cover, how to remove it, how to install an SSD, and that's basically it. So maybe you have seen other videos and they didn't mention very strictly what you should do to open this. I have tried it maybe first 5 to 10 times and I couldn't open it. So where is the main point here? You will see. So the best is you place the console towards you. So the DVD drive, the Blu-ray drive is on the top. I'm sorry for the blurriness. Should be fine now. So first step, the best thing is you take something to put it under the console so you won't scratch the console. You can place a cloth or something else. Then you place the gaming console with the Blu-ray drive on the top. So this way. And it should be on your right side, as you see here. Then you are going with the left hand here and lift up this plastic here. So you will lift up this plastic here like this. And the main part, what is most important, you will also lift up here a little bit, so in the right side, and then pull it here in this line. Pull it that way, or push it from here. So pull it here, and then just that's it. It goes very quick and easy. The first time when I tried to do, I maybe needed 5 minutes and it didn't work. So the basic thing is that you just place it here in position. I'm gonna show you how to put it back here. You just click on the right side and that's it. So again, here on the left side, right side, up and push it in the line here, in diagonal line, and that's it. So once this is done, I'm gonna zoom in. You have here the SSD position. That's the protective metal plate, which you unscrew with a Phillips screwdriver. Lift up this plate. Then you have here the position for the SSD. There is one screw. You remove this screw here. And now it depends, there is also one distance part which you put in the place, depends of the length of your SSD. So let's say I have here an P5 Plus that's made from Crucial, and it meets the standards for the PS5. You can use it. So I will show the speeds here on the right side, so you can see what are the speeds, and that's basically it. So I have already mounted the heatsink on it. As you see, the length is 2280. So I will put this distance here, point here in place here. This for the screw. Put in the SSD. I'm gonna zoom in again a little bit. So put in the SSD in place, inside, take it down, take the screwdriver, put the screw here in place, screw it there, not too tight, just a little bit, put back the plate here, Put back the screw. Screw it together. Not too tight. That's it. We're gonna zoom out. You take the plate back, put it here in place, like you can feel it, and then from the right side, just push towards the left side. You hear the sound? That's it. You have upgraded your PS5. If you need maybe parts like the SSD, I have provided the links in the video description. Just click on more under the video and feel free to buy your new SSD. Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description. Please also like, comment and share the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.